Welcome to Learn AI in 5 Minutes, a new series where you'll learn one powerful AI tip in just 5 minutes. Today, we're going to talk about how to connect Claude Code to Vscode so you could vibe code a website and get in on all this vibe coding action, because vibe coding is so much fun. Let's begin. There are two tools that you need. Please go to Vscode, go ahead and download the software for your device, and then go ahead and go to Claude and sign up for a paid subscription for Claude. You will need one for this. It's like roughly $20. And then sign into your account on our browser. Those are the first two steps. Once you install VS Code on your computer, there's two places that you're going to be hanging out. First step here, extensions. We need to add some superpowers to VS Code. So step one is search for Claude Code. Go ahead and install this one, and then also install Live Server. You'll need this when you want to build websites and then view your beautiful website in real time. Super dope. Completely for free. And then special bonus, if you want to become a real vibe coder, highly recommend get the VS Code Pokemon extension. None of these things are paid. They're all free, and trust me, it'll make the experience a lot better. Once you have those extensions installed, go ahead and go to the file folder. VS Code is just a fancy text editor. That's all. And everything works in folders. In that folder, you'll have files, and those files are code, and Claude is going to write all the code. You don't have to write a single line of code, but you do have to create folders for Claude to work in. So click open folder, go to your documents, and create a new folder called programs. Then click open. This is where all your programs are going to be. Go ahead and click trust, and now we're going to create our first program. So if you don't see Claude in the upper right hand corner, go to the search bar and press shift and the right arrow that way, and then type Claude and then press enter, and now Claude will appear if you don't see him. First time you load Claude, it will look like this. Go ahead and click Claude subscription. It will open a browser and use your cookies to log into your session. So, and you click here and go authorize. Done here. Now when you go back, you need to open a new Claude conversation, and now you're logged in. Perfect. Now you have Claude in VS Code. Congratulations. This is incredibly powerful for vibe coding. Let's build your first website. So the first thing you're going to do as a voice command is say, also you should be using voice to text, no typing. I want you to build a single page HTML website for an AI class that teaches AI to entrepreneurs, that talks about GenSpark, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, live classes Tuesday through Friday, open community of 140 members, and one button to join to learn how to automate your business using AI. Basically, the only thing that you need is right here, a single HTML page. Go ahead and press enter. Now you're using Claude Opus 4.5. This is the most powerful LLM to basically be the best software developer. He's going to work inside of your project folder and build a web page the way you want. Now, it's not going to be perfect right off the bat, but the thing I want you to remember is to iterate yourself to success. So my version 1 is going to suck. But if I keep iterating on it, my version 10, magnificent. And that's what I want to get you, is to iterate yourself to success. Claude is asking for permission to create some files. We're just going to say, yes, Claude, go ahead and do your thing. Do all the work. While he's working away, go ahead and click down here for the little VS Pokemon. And then you could click this little button to randomly spawn a Pokemon to just kind of hang out, because you got to kill time. This is vibe coding. So most of the time you're doing is killing time. And Claude is now done. He created a single HTML website. Let's hide. And then if you right click on that and choose the first option that says open with live server, congratulations, you just vibe coded your first website in less than 5 minutes using Claude Code and VS Code. To continue from here, continue to iterate, add images, forms, updates, and then go ahead and publish this to the web so that you can see your beautiful website online. If you want to take your AI skills to the next level, join my AI community where we're having a Master AI in 5-week live AI program to help you go from overwhelmed, burnt out, doing everything manually in your business, to building AI agents and workflows that will do all of your work, your marketing, sales, and operations. This is a 5-week program, live classes. They'll be recorded so you can rewatch it if you miss it. We're going to build GenSpark AI agents, vibe coding with Claude Code. Google AI Studio has a suite of AI tools. Then my favorite, how to vibe code a complete content automation app, no NAN involved. And then digital marketing, how to monetize your AI skills so that you can take advantage of AI. This is the 5-week program that you could join that we're starting January 6th. I love to see you there. Live classes Tuesday through Friday. Click the link down below to join. I hope you learned something new, and comment down below what is the next thing you want to learn in the next Learn AI in 5 Minute series. Have a great day. Bye.